Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
I have to admit, Huawei really understands what younger users want. With the new Nova 16 series, it feels like the company has specifically created these phones with young people in mind, especially for the summer season. I've been using both Nova 16 models for some time now, and one thing that stood out immediately is how many details seem tailored to younger consumers.
A quick shout to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
The design is probably the first thing you'll notice. This year, Huawei introduced a design concept inspired by the clear sky wave. In simple terms, it's all about capturing the feeling of waves rolling along the seaside. Each color option reflects a different scene. The sky blue version of the Nova 16 Pro brings to mind refreshing summer ocean waves, while the white color of the Nova 16 represents a vast, cloudless sky stretching out endlessly into the distance. Compared to traditional solid color finishes, these designs feel much more expressive and visually engaging. They create a stronger emotional connection and make the phones feel more alive. Huawei seems to be following a consistent design philosophy this year. The bright and refreshing colors are naturally appealing, especially to students and younger users who are full of curiosity and enthusiasm about the world around them. Alongside Nova's signature dual-ring camera design, which offers excellent visual recognition, these youthful color combinations help both Nova 16 devices stand out. They're not just smartphones, they can easily become stylish accessories during the summer vacation season. Combined with the endorsement from the Times Youth League and the arrival of summer break, it's easy to see who Huawei had in mind when creating these devices. And with the Huawei Nova 16 series officially going on sale on June 5th, the timing couldn't be more perfect for young users. Moving on to the displays, both Nova models offer a very solid experience, something that is particularly important for students and younger audiences. Both devices feature 2.5D curved displays with a four-sided micro-curve design that creates a comfortable viewing experience without feeling awkward or overly curved. The screens support adaptive refresh rates from 1 Hz to 120 Hz. The Nova 16 Pro uses an LTPO high refresh rate panel, while the Nova 16 comes with an LTPS high refresh rate display. Beyond that, both screens deliver impressive overall quality. Brightness performance is especially noteworthy. The peak brightness exceeds what many standard flagship phones offer, reaching around 850 nits, making the display easy to view in most lighting conditions. Both devices also support high-frequency PWM dimming, which makes them more comfortable for extended use. For students and younger users who spend a lot of time on their phones, this feature can make a noticeable difference during long viewing sessions. The stereo speaker setup on both phones also deserves praise. Whether you're listening to music, streaming videos, or binge-watching dramas, the immersive audio experience is quite enjoyable. Now let's talk about gaming. Because, let's be honest, who doesn't enjoy playing a few games? One of the most interesting upgrades this time is that even the standard Nova 16 is equipped with the Kirin 9010S processor. I know many people are curious about its performance, and the results are actually quite impressive. Huawei's strength lies in its deep integration of software and hardware through its StarCloud architecture, and that shows during gaming. Popular titles perform very well, even exceeding my expectations in some cases. Take Honor of Kings and Peace Elite, for example. During 1-hour gaming sessions, both Nova devices maintained consistently high frame rates. Honor of Kings averaged around 115 frames per second, while Peace Elite averaged roughly 116 frames per second. Aside from occasional fluctuations when launching or reopening games, frame rates stayed close to 120 FPS for most of the gameplay. Team fights remained smooth and responsive throughout. Thermal performance is equally impressive. During testing, temperatures on both the front and back of the devices stayed around 40 degrees Celsius. The phones felt warm, but never uncomfortable. What surprised me even more was the performance in a heavier title like Genshin Impact. Both Nova phones handled the game smoothly, including the standard Nova 16. During a 30-minute gaming session, the average frame rate reached 56.8 FPS. While frame rates occasionally drop to around 30 FPS during particularly demanding combat situations, Huawei's cooling system and software-hardware optimization quickly brought performance back towards 60 FPS. Overall, the gameplay experience remained smooth and enjoyable. Battery life is another major highlight. This time, the Nova 16 series comes equipped with a massive 7,000 mAh battery. In my battery endurance testing, after 3 hours of mixed usage, the Nova 16 still had 71% battery remaining, while the Nova 16 Pro retained 73%. Even after adding an extra 30 minutes of Genshin Impact gameplay, both devices still had around 60% battery left. With results like these, getting through a full day from 8 in the morning until 8 at night shouldn't be a problem at all. Charging speeds are equally impressive. Both phones support 100-watt wired fast charging. A complete charge from empty to 100% took approximately 64 minutes for one model and 65 minutes for the other, making them nearly identical in charging performance. The first 30 minutes are especially impressive. The Nova 16 reached 53% in half an hour, while the Nova 16 Pro climbed to 57% during the same period. So even if you're about to head out and only have a short time to charge, you can quickly recover a significant amount of battery and get back on the move.
To wrap things up, the Nova 16 series comes equipped with HarmonyOS 6.1, and the overall experience remains smooth and responsive in daily use. One area that has seen noticeable improvements is Harmony AI, which now offers even more creative and practical features. This time, the Nova 16 series introduces an interesting collage puzzle feature. You can combine 9 of your favorite photos into a single creative layout, whether it's a traditional collage or a mirror-style composition. If you're looking for inspiration, Harmony AI can even help generate and arrange the design for you. Another fun addition is support for 3D dynamic photos. Using Harmony AI, you can transform a standard 2D motion photo into a 3D dynamic image with a stronger sense of depth and spatial immersion. Simply put, it gives you more creative content to share on social platforms like WeChat. If you're studying or have questions about something, Xiaoyi is always ready to help. You can ask Xiaoyi for detailed explanations and answers, making learning more engaging and efficient. I think students watching this video will immediately understand the value of that. Beyond that, features like RYYB Vision and Xiaoyi Translation are also available. From an AI perspective, both phones offer a complete and capable experience. Since the Nova 16 series is designed with young people in mind, photography naturally plays a huge role. After all, young users love capturing moments, and Huawei clearly understands that. The new Nova lineup puts a strong focus on imaging, especially the Nova 16 Pro that I've been using. It features Huawei's dual red maple imaging system and a rare 200-megapixel primary camera, making it one of the standout camera setups in its segment. The telephoto and ultra-wide cameras are also packed with impressive capabilities. With both front and rear red maple imaging support, the Nova 16 Pro delivers stable and consistent color reproduction even in challenging lighting conditions. This has become one of the defining strengths of Huawei's imaging technology. No matter where you're shooting, skin tones appear more natural and lifelike. The phone also features a 200-megapixel RYYB ultra-sensitive main camera. During the daytime, the camera captures exceptional detail and resolution. Even when zooming deeply into photos, image clarity remains impressive. At night, the RYYB sensor design allows more light to enter the camera, significantly improving low-light performance. For young users who enjoy documenting nightlife, city scenes, food, and memorable moments with friends, night shots look brighter, cleaner, and more detailed. The telephoto camera is equally impressive. This time, the Nova 16 Pro is equipped with a 50-megapixel RYYB telephoto lens. The added light intake helps maintain image quality even in darker environments, making nighttime zoom photography much more practical. It truly lives up to the expectations of Huawei's advanced imaging system. And of course, Huawei's famous macro photography capabilities are here as well. If you enjoy capturing the tiny details of everyday life, this Nova device won't disappoint. From the main camera to the telephoto lens, from color accuracy to fine detail, from daytime landscapes to nighttime photography, and from ultra-wide shots to macro close-ups, the Nova 16 series covers nearly every shooting scenario young users encounter. When it comes to photography, it really lives up to the Nova name. Looking at the Nova 16 series as a whole, it's interesting that online discussions often focus heavily on hardware specifications. However, in real-world usage, most consumers care much more about the complete experience. Things like design, gaming, photography, software experience, battery life, and pricing matter much more. This is especially true for younger users and students who tend to be selective when choosing a smartphone. The Nova 16 series feels like a product that understands those needs very well. It combines trendy and personalized styling with practical features for entertainment, learning, and social interaction. Whether you're hanging out with friends, traveling during summer vacation, creating content, or simply recording memorable moments from daily life, these phones are designed to support that lifestyle. Price is another important factor. Young consumers want something affordable without sacrificing personality or quality, and that's where the Nova 16 series becomes particularly attractive. The Nova 16 Pro stands out with its front and rear red maple imaging system. Whether you're taking selfies with friends or group photos with classmates, it delivers excellent color reproduction and image quality. It also features a 200-megapixel RYYB flagship-level main camera with outstanding night photography performance. The stylish appearance, eye-catching sky blue design, gaming capabilities, battery endurance, and AI features all add to its appeal. While there are some hardware differences between models, the overall experience remains highly competitive, even compared to higher-end devices, while maintaining a strong value advantage. The standard Nova 16 is also worth serious consideration. Meanwhile, the Pro and Ultra versions come equipped with Kirin 9010D processors, offering impressive performance while remaining within the mid-range price segment. Users also get Huawei's 50-megapixel RYYB imaging technology, excellent display quality, and attractive exterior design. Most importantly, at a time when smartphone prices continue to rise across the industry, the overall pricing strategy remains quite friendly for students and younger buyers. The Nova 16 series also supports Beidou satellite messaging and 5A communication technology. In addition, it includes Huawei StarFlash, Wi-Fi 7, dual-frequency GPS, and triple-frequency Beidou positioning, continuing Huawei's long-standing strengths in connectivity and communication. For buyers purchasing the Nova 16 series before June 30th, Huawei is also offering several service benefits, including a 1-year screen protection warranty, 1-year motherboard water damage warranty, 1-year rear camera warranty, 1-year back cover warranty, 2-year battery warranty, and 2-year official warranty coverage. These service packages are particularly valuable for active young users and students. After all, when discussing a product, it's impossible to ignore both pricing and after-sales support. Overall, the Nova 16 series remains a very appealing option. So if you're planning to upgrade your phone anytime soon, I would definitely recommend taking a look at these new devices. After all, this is an era driven by young people, and when a smartphone is designed specifically with young users in mind, it's always worth considering as another option. Alright everyone, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!